Just something a little bit different to add for today is the average rate of change. So let's say I have this table here. It's asking for the rate of change over the interval from 0 to 5. What would rate of change be? What are we looking for? What are we looking for? What do we need to find? Slope. Yeah. If you see rate, rate slope. Rate's a slope word. Each, every, per, or rate are slope words. So we're looking for the slope from 0 to 5. So find slope from 0 to 5. Who's got it? E is correct. Slope is your change in y over change in x. So change in y, change in x. Change in y is 15, change in x is 5. So we'd have 15 over 5, which is 3. So same table. This time we need the average rate of change from the interval 5 to 9. Let's go ahead and find that. Three again is correct. So change in y, change in x. So we got 12 over 4. And yeah, that's 3. How about from 9 to 12? Oliver? Oh, I don't know why I wrote that. That shouldn't be 3 and 3. That should be 9. That one should be 3. So we got 9 over 3. Slope of 3. Okay? So the average rate of change, sometimes then we'll ask for a different interval. Sometimes you can even have the same table and it'll be like different each time. But all it's doing is it's asking for the slope between 2 points. All right, so what's the average rate of change from 0 to 12? Yeah, still 3. Now, when it gives you intervals like this, you have to use the 2x values that it gives you. So it gives us 0, it gives us 12 in this case. We got to use 0, we got to use 12. So that's a change of 12. That one happens to be 36. So we got 36 equals 3. Everybody okay with that part? Sometimes, though, you get something a little bit different. So if we had, I don't know, let's put 60 here instead. All right, so now, what's the average rate of change from 0 to 12? 4. Change in y over change in x. Now the change in y is 48. Change of x is 12. That's how this needs to work, okay? Even if we went, if we checked the different points here, if I did these 2 points, we'd have a slope of 3 like we had before. These 2 points, we had a slope of 3, right? You got to make sure you're using the 2 points that they give you or the 2 points that they ask for on the interval to get the average rate of change. Otherwise, it's just finding slope between 2 points. Shouldn't be too bad, right? Just change in y, change in x.